because the story happened thousands of years ago in the ancient China. You can get to learn lots of Chinese idioms as well as both the traditional Chinese and Mandarin culture. Hi everyone, my name is Siki. I'm a native Mandarin Chinese speaker and a Chinese language tutor. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin Chinese in a fun way for free. If you are looking for more customized one-on-one tutoring sessions to help you improve your Mandarin Chinese, you can now reach out to me through the link in the description. So today, I want to recommend 3 Chinese TV drama shows for people who want to improve their Mandarin Chinese in 2021. If you want to add some more entertaining elements into your language learning journey, don't miss out on this one and watch till the end. So the first TV drama I want to mention is a very recent and popular show called Ruiz, Ruiz Royalty Love in the Palace. This TV drama used 87 episodes to tell the story of Princess Ruiz's relationship with the emperor from when they were young to the end of their lives, back to thousands of years ago in the Qing dynasty. I would say it's a little sad for me to watch because basically they just went from a really loving and trusting couple to having a twisted relationship with lots of misunderstanding. And of course, because it's a show about the emperor's Gong, so there are lots of other plot twists around other concubines as well. It clearly reflects how the 中国古代封建制度 harms women both mentally and physically. Well, after watching this show, lots of people just really hate the emperor in this show because he is such a disloyal husband. It's kind of strange, but it does remind me of Oliver Queen in the Green Arrow. The only difference is that when Oliver finally got together with Felicity, he did get more lovable by the audience, but for the Qianlong Emperor in this show, he just keeps getting worse. Yeah. So coming back to studying Chinese, because the story happened thousands of years ago in the ancient China, you can get to learn lots of Chinese idioms as well as both the traditional Chinese and Mandarin culture. However, just be aware that the purpose of 宫斗剧 is to simply entertain the audience instead of accurately educate people about the history. The second show I want to mention today is also a very new and popular 宫斗剧 called 延禧攻略, the story of Yanxi Palace. This show describes the exact same dynasty, the same emperor, and his Gong from a very different perspective. It talks about how a very smart 宫女 Wei Yingluo becomes the most powerful concubine step by step. Lots of people actually prefer this show over Ruiz Royalty Love in the Palace just because the Qianlong Emperor in this show is a way more decent husband. Well, I believe that both 延禧攻略 and 如懿传 are very entertaining and engaging Chinese drama shows that offer you a taste of the ancient Chinese culture combined with a Mandarin Chinese conversation that's still relatively easy for modern people to understand. And finally, the third TV drama I want to recommend today in this video is a Taiwanese 偶像剧 called 命中注定我爱你, You Are My Destiny. It talks about how a normal girl called Chen Xinyi actually got pregnant by a guy from a famous and rich family on a luxury cruise trip and how they eventually fall in love. Well, this show was actually made in 2008. But the reason why I want to recommend this show is that after so many years, when I rewatched this show again, although I feel a little cringe sometimes, but it still made me laugh and cry. I love the message in the story that every normal girl can achieve their dreams through continuously putting efforts into improve themselves. for people who are very interested in the Taiwanese culture and Taiwanese Mandarin. This show is a perfect option for you because in this show you get to hear and learn lots of Taiwanese accents, the speaking habits of Taiwanese Mandarin, very commonly used daily phrases, as well as the Taiwanese dialect. So overall, these 3 TV drama shows are really easy to find on YouTube. I will put the links of different shows in the description below. So if you are interested in them and you want to have a more entertaining journey of learning Mandarin Chinese, please feel free to watch it and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So that's today's video. If you do think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe. You can also turn on the notification bell so every time when I upload a new video, you get to learn Mandarin Chinese for free. Also, if you are looking for more customized one-on-one tutoring sessions to help you study Mandarin Chinese, no matter if you are a beginner or an advanced learner, you can always find me through the link in description. You can either send me a message or book a trial class with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!